Hi, I'm Joel Steinman, and I am the Bunn Repair Tech from Gold Roast Coffee. I am here to give you some basic and easy maintenance instructions for Bunn machines. Today I will be exempling a simple but crucial technique for keeping your coffee machine flowing well. There are two steps in this. The first and most common problem is your spray head will be clogged. First, I will example a bad and a good spray head. As you can see, the one on the right is all coming out well, whereas the one on the left is coming out much weaker and much slower. This will make the distribution over the coffee grounds much worse, and therefore get a weaker coffee, and it will take twice as long to brew your coffee. Now, as I said, this machine is the one with the clogged spray head, and this one is the good one. When they're done, I will example how to clean the spray heads and such. As you can see, the water flowed through the one on the right much faster. There we go. Now that it's done, how to take it off is you take this, grab it by the spray head with about 2 fingers, turn it to the left, and unscrew it. That is how you remove your spray head. Now, as you can see inside, there is much lime in it. The easiest way to get it all out is to shake it out. And there we go. You can see it is much cleaner, and the lime has come out. It may take a little bit more than shaking, such as banging on a counter or something to clean it. And then another problem with the spray head is these holes will sometimes clog up. So the simplest way is to take a pick and merely clean each one out so it does not clog up as often. You can also use a paperclip or a toothpick or something equally small enough to fit in the holes to do this. And now if your machine is still running slowly, then the problem can be bigger, and you will need to use a technique called springing. That would be when you take a spring like this. Once you've taken the spray head off, it is just the copper tubing. Then you push it in, and as you push it in, twist it, and it will make it flow through quicker. And then just keep going. On an STSF, it should go to about here on the spring. On a Bunn CW or VP17, it should go to about here. Go down to about here into the tank. And that's how you know you've done the full springing job. Once those two are done, you can then reattach the spray head. You take the 2 fingers and then twist it to the right. Spin it till it's tight, and then just tighten it a little bit with your 2 fingers to make sure it won't fall off. And that is your basic techniques for doing the cleaning and making sure your coffee machine is flowing well. I will now example that they are both flowing much better. There you go. As you can see, the machine is now running much better. If you use these machines a lot, like you're part of a restaurant or business or such, I would recommend that you check the spray head to make sure there is no line buildup once or twice a week, and I would say that you do the spraying once every 2 weeks just to keep the machine clear. That should be it. Thank you very much for watching.